Hey guys, welcome. Today we're going to be going over the 1505 memory reset, and then we're going to be going over the healthy timer settings. First thing you should note is the 1505 healthy timer reset does reset all the settings back to factory. So not only will you be resetting the healthy timer, but you will also be resetting products to push over, voltage of the speed of the motors. So just take that into consideration. With the door open, the first option is programming addresses. We're going to press A and enter the password 1505. We're going to wait a few seconds while it does the memory reset. Take note, doing the memory reset also erases products to push over, the voltage of the programming, so just kind of take note when you're doing the resetting. Now, once we have the door open, we're going to see programming addresses. We can scroll with the star key all the way to the temperature options settings. Here we're going to press A as in apple, and it's going to show us our first option, which is working temperature. If we press A, we're going to see what the value is set at. We can scroll using 1 and 2 to alter these values to the maximum and the minimum settings. Now, once we have the settings already where we want, we press A to save and C to go back to the next option. 1 takes us to the next option, temperature scale. We can briefly just check it by pressing A. Is good on Fahrenheit. C takes us back 1 to the next option, and that's the safety food control. We're going to press A and we see that it's enabled. We can toggle it with the number 1 button to disable or enable it. We're going to leave it unenabled, and we can press A to soft save and press C to go back. Number 1, the next option, expiration temperature. This is where we can set the temperature we want it to expire to. Currently it's set to 42.8. Number 1 and 2 will help us increase those values anywhere you want, and then A again will allow us to save it, and C allows us to go back. And then the next option is the expiration period. We're going to enter it with A, and here we see how many minutes it's set to expire. So when it hits the expired temperature, the timer starts, and then the expired period starts counting. And that can be anywhere from 60 to 120 seconds depending on your laws and